Hey everyone, I'm Sherry Criswell, independent designer for Couture. Today I am doing a pillow. The Snuggle is real. And I just showed you the mat that I'm using with it. It's not necessary, but it makes this project so much easier. It acts as a barrier, keeps it from bleeding through to the other side. And it also smooths out the wrinkles and keeps your fabric in place. So now I'm lining it up. Originally, I tried to be real professional with a ruler, as you can see. I ended up just eyeballing it. It just works good for me. If it looks good to me, I figure, that's good. So anyway, whatever works for you. Now I'm taking the ink, which just glides on so smoothly. And there you go. The front is done. Now we're doing the back. The back takes a little bit longer simply because I'm going to do this all the way across. So I have about 4 different times I use this transfer. The top part is easy to line up. I just lined up the transfer with the pillow and just squeegee all this ink onto the pillow. And I do take a little bit of pressure with a squeegee, scraping it across. I want to get the ink, make sure it gets into the silkscreen netting so it makes a good print onto it. And it's all one color, which makes it easy and fast. I suppose it does take a little bit of practice just to get the feel of it, but trust me, it is really easy. You do not have to be a crafter. You can get professional results. They have their designs and the ink and the paste and their tools. It just makes it really easy. Now I'm going to take this one and line it up with the top one and just make it extend all the way over to the end of the pillow. Now, if you would like to shop or join and be a designer like me, just go to chalkcouture.com/Sherry Criswell. This stuff, it's fun and it's easy, and I love the results. I did speed this up, but it did not take that long if you take away the drying time. Now, when this is all done and dry, then take parchment paper and a medium non-steam iron. I put mine on cotton for 4 minutes, and you can wash this. There it is. So what do you think? The Snuggle is real. I love it.